Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. It's like 37 buses. Nothing happens for ages, and then all the boxes come at once. So we have unboxing videos today. Yes, that's videos with an S on the end. I'm going to film everything now, but I'm yet to decide what's going to get posted, where and when. This is the front end to one of them. And I'm reasonably certain it's going to be the package from the US of A, and I'm reasonably certain that that's going to get posted on both the Orchid channel and the gardening channel. The other two boxes are plants. They will be for the gardening channel. We won't be planting them today, but we'll certainly be opening the boxes, and then we'll see where we go from there. The problem I've got is I've got a busy weekend. I'm out both days, which means it's Wednesday now, so that gives me 2 days to get those plants in the ground. I don't see that as a problem yet, but it is weather dependent, and at the moment the weather looks like, apart from an odd shower, it looks like it's going to be okay. And the threatened storm has gone right up the west coast, so this part of England isn't going to get it. We're just not going to get it at all. So yeah, it's missed my area completely. I think it's just going up the Irish Sea and across northern England and Scotland, so they're going to get the worst of it. Anyway, let's get this camera on the tripod and get some of these boxes open and see what we've got. And then I'll decide what's going to get posted where and when and all that stuff in a minute.